the journey of data through AI algorithms is a process that can be broken down, understood, and appreciated. Imagine this: data as a stream, starting from a source of information. This stream flows into the riverbed of AI algorithms, where it is guided, shaped, and transformed. It's like a journey from the mountaintop to the ocean, each step filled with purpose and direction, each movement creating a ripple of change. This could be anything from a click on a website, a purchase at a store, or the temperature reading of a smart thermostat. They sort, filter, and analyze the data, seeking patterns and trends, learning from each droplet that passes by. Then, the AI uses what it has learned to make predictions, to guide decisions. The data has been transformed, and in turn, it has the power to transform our world. To summarize, the flow of data through AI algorithms is a journey from collection to analysis, from learning to prediction. It's a process of transformation, of harnessing the power of information to create change and shape the future. It's a testament to the power and potential of artificial intelligence and data, a river that flows ceaselessly, shaping the landscape of our lives. The river of data never stops flowing, and neither does the potential for transformation. It's a process that's changing the world, one droplet, one stream, one river at a time.
I am loving this new Meta AI feature of WhatsApp. Let's dive in to check how can it assist you and why I'm enjoying it. In my imagination, I always wanted to travel in a train with cat face. Let's check, is Meta AI able to create what exactly I want to see? It takes 1 or 2 seconds hardly to generate an image. Boom, here you go. Download image to see the magic. Oh no, this is not what I've asked about. Let's try another prompt and give detailed prompt to generate the image that's in your mind. Let's check results by downloading. That's great. How beautiful this image is. If you are all alone at home and don't know how to cook anything to satisfy your hunger pangs, you can ask Meta AI to write recipe for you and try. Here you can see I've asked Meta AI to write recipe for pasta and it worked. I have to go to an AMNA'S party tomorrow. Let's ask Meta AI, how should I dress up? Meta AI suggested me outfits for AMNA'S party with dress color, and it suggested both for men and women as I haven't mentioned my gender while writing prompt. Let's ask for dress suggestion visuals. Meta AI directed me to a web page where I can see beautiful abaya pictures to have an idea of how I should dress up. Then I wrapped my chat with Meta AI. I said goodbye and asked AI to be my crime partner and best friend. Try this amazing feature to get amazed. If you didn't find this icon, update your Messenger WhatsApp.